Let's talk about political journalism. The three areas of political journalism are politics, which is how members of the government interact with each other, government, which is how the government itself functions, and international relations, which is how different governments from different countries interact with each other. Let's look at the kinds of political journalism. Election, policy, and international relations. Election journalism is primarily concerned with the election of elected officials. This includes candidacy reporting, which reports on what a candidate's policies and promises are, and poll journalism, which reports on the likelihood of a candidate winning or the results of an election. Policy journalism includes reporting on new legislation that state, local, and federal governments have passed, as well as analyzing proposals by members of the government. And finally, international relations reporting primarily is concerned with military conflict. It also includes areas such as diplomatic agreements or economic and trade policy. What are the kinds of media that journalists use for political journalism? The traditional articles What are the kinds of media that journalists use for political journalism? Articles are the traditional medium, whether it be on paper or online. The three kinds are reporting, or just the facts journalism, analysis, and op-eds. There are also talk shows. The differences with talk shows is there can be live reporting at the scene of an event. There's sometimes a board of experts to comment on events. And there can sometimes be a well-known journalist hosting the talk show so that people feel more comfortable with the information they are receiving. There's some other newer media that is emerging in the past few years, thanks to the use of the internet, such as social media, blog posts, and political podcasts.